Luke W. coming back at you from Venice Beach, California. Just eating a nice pizza, had a fun little skate sesh at the skate park down here, and wanted to bring you a quick video because I got a few emails from Amazon talking about inventory and fees. So Amazon has decided to postpone their annual fee increases because of COVID-19 and how difficult this whole year has been for so many small businesses. Another thing Amazon noted was that sellers on Amazon, third-party sellers more specifically, surpassed $4.8 billion just around the Christmas and holiday season. So that includes Cyber Monday and Black Friday, $4.8 billion. Amazon also noted they employed over 400,000 more fulfillment workers to be shipping out our products and getting everything out on time. This leads me to the last update, which is the Inventory Placement Index score, which they've now lowered from 500 down to 450. So if you're above 450 on this IPI index score, which you can check right on your Manage Inventory page on Amazon, under the inventory dashboard, you'll be able to see your score. And if you're under 450, you're gonna have inventory storage limits placed on your account where you're only able to ship in so much of a particular item, and overall your storage is capped at a certain limit. Now, if you're over that 450 mark, you don't have to worry. You're gonna be able to have unlimited storage, unlimited inventory in the Amazon warehouses. Plus, Amazon noted that with the new vaccine on the rise getting dispersed to many places around the country, hopefully everything can come back to normal, and this will allow more fulfillment workers to be back in their warehouses and supply chains to stop having so many bottleneck issues when it comes to our products getting shipped out from Amazon. If you're a drop shipper or you're shipping out of your own third-party warehouse besides Amazon, that's probably even more difficult. And merchant fulfilled people, I'm interested to hear how everything has been affecting you and your business. With everything I'm doing, my inventory is already inside Amazon's warehouses. They're responsible for the shipping, and I'm really happy they actually didn't increase the prices, because I know many shipping companies like UPS and FedEx have constantly been increasing their shipping charges due to COVID and supply chain issues, all this stuff. So I'm really happy that Amazon's partnerships with some of these companies has allowed us to keep our fees not increased. I hope you go ahead and smash that thumbs up button so I can go smash some more tray flips out here at the skate park and enjoy the rest of this pizza. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.